Alys. Now everybody go to breakfast. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss. Cause I did win by default. Without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult.
I like how we did back in the day. Before salt and vinegar was
life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know them get both. Like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry yo. And if you go and shadow. And if you go and shadow. And if you go and shadow.
okay. I just filmed this whole thing and then realized that I did it wrong. But anyway, so we are now in Mutare. Day one of our little road trip, mini 2-day road trippy type thing has commenced, and we are at the farm. We got here at about 3. We left home at 10 a.m. I'd say. So we're all about to go for dinner. So we're just sort of like getting ready faster before we go. So welcome to the farm.
Two sides to it.
I know, I just mean that I wouldn't like to think of a butterfly being cut in half.
Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? You don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Good morning, welcome to day 2 of our mini road trip vlog. So today we are going to the graduation at Africa University. That's where my sister used to go, and that's where my granddad used to be a professor. So we have like an award that our family gives out to the top student in the program that he used to teach. So we're gonna go and present that and go for a little lunchy afterwards and then just like see what happens. So we're gonna have like a quick get ready with me montage type thing and then head out in like 30 minutes. Oh my gosh, save me. You look so confused. How you feeling? Yeah. I am. I'm just teasing you. I'm just making fun of you because I know that things are good. Yeah, it would be awkward to do that if they weren't. So I'm living my best life. Would you like to fill us in on the events of the day? We're doing a vlog update.
The event was on time. Everything went smoothly. Only criticism was that the sound system, the sound engineer didn't know what he was doing, so it was just way too loud.
Literally blaring.
Yeah, and now we've practically got headaches from that, but otherwise it was good.
Yes, and now we retreated to the sanctuary of the country for some peace and quiet. How are you doing, Mummington?
I'm doing good. Slight headache loading from the
migraine from the PA
crazy
system.
sound system, but otherwise beautiful day. Had so much fun. Good memories.
Yeah. Fun and family time. So we're gonna get a little lunchy now, and the lighting is immaculate today for vlogging, wouldn't you say? Yeah. Daddles, you're a junior vlogger now.
Yeah.
Keeping my apprentice on track. was about to eat before the camera. Can you believe that? Slacking, man. But it's okay, because we reminded you what was up before it was too late. No, it's not biscuits and gravy. But we cannot eat them because they were severely underdone and yeah, very doughy and stuff, which is deeply unfortunate because I was dying for some jam and cream. So now I feel like just eating it by itself.
You just licked the cream and the jam off the scone.
What could I do? What more was there? Yes, exactly. Yeah. I know, isn't it just vibing? As per usual, we have reached the point in the vlog where I must update you that we are in the most exciting place that you will go, the supermarket. So while we're here, I'm going to update you on this delicious little morsel right here. This is the most fire snack that you are going to find. Well, I guess opinions differ, but this is the most fire snack you're going to find for miles. These are the chocolate coated biscuits. They are the simplest thing you will ever see, but I used to take those to boarding school and I would just die for them. Oh, careful now. We are having our morning promenade along our road at the farm. These are proper country roads now, not the tarred roads that they call the country roads in the Georgia mountains. But yes, enjoy some scenery of some Zim country roads while we promenade. It's possible.
Okay, so over there is some vegetables, kind of like collard greens, also weeds, pumpkin, and in the background lots of tomatoes.
Did they eat this in America?
What?
Pumpkin weeds.
I don't know. You're the one who lives there.
I don't know. I don't think that I've seen
No, they
them
don't.
eat them.
They
Yes,
eat the flowers.
The pumpkins and the pumpkin weeds. Yeah.
It's figured out what to do with this.
It's like, don't mind me. I'm not here. I'm not a stray farm cat. I'm just gonna get your mice and get out, okay? Right, here are some farm products that we're trying to get from in there into there. So, challenge accepted, Daddles.